Super Bowl wing recipes brought to you by your favorite Space Coast Realtor, Margarett. If your Super Bowl plans include yelling at the TV, cheering way too loud, and eating your weight in wings, you're in the right place. Stay to the very end for a fun Super Bowl fact that you can casually drop at halftime and sound very impressive. And hey, if your current home feels a little too small for Super Bowl parties, just know I help people upgrade their kitchens, living rooms, and backyards all the time. Just saying. First, we have classic crispy buffalo wings, game day MVP. Ingredients is 2 pounds chicken wings, split with tips removed, 1 teaspoon baking powder, not baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, buffalo sauce, half a cup of Frank's Red Hot, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional, but amazing. Half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. So your instructions: pat those wings completely dry. This is the crispiness secret. Toss wings with baking powder, salt, garlic powder, and paprika. Bake on a wire rack at 425 for 45 to 50 minutes, flipping halfway. Heat sauce ingredients in a saucepan. Toss wings in sauce and serve immediately. Perfect for classic fans, first-time hosts, and homes with big TVs and open living spaces. Next, we have honey lemon pepper wings. Definitely a crowd favorite. Ingredient: 2 pounds of wings, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, sauce, 1/3 cup honey, juice of 1 lemon, zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning. And for your instructions, bake those wings at 425 for 45 minutes until crispy. Melt butter, add honey, lemon juice, zest, and seasoning. Toss wings in sauce and sprinkle with extra lemon pepper. Perfect for people who say, "I don't even like wings," and then eat 12. Sweet heat sriracha wings for the bold fans. Ingredients: 2 pounds of wings, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, your hot sauce, 1/4 cup sriracha, half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon minced garlic. And for your instructions, we're going to bake those wings until crispy. Still that 45 minutes. Simmer sauce ingredients for 5 minutes. Toss wings and serve hot. Perfect for spicy personalities and homes with outdoor seating so guests can cool off. Garlic Parmesan wings. No sauce, no mess. Ingredients: 2 pounds of wings, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Toss after baking. 4 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of grated Parmesan, 2 cloves minced garlic, fresh parsley. And our instructions: bake those wings until golden and crispy. Toss with butter, garlic, Parmesan, and parsley, and serve immediately. Perfect for fancy Super Bowl spreads and kitchens you actually love showing off. Quick realtor timeout, because you know me. If your Super Bowl setup involves guests standing because there's no space, a kitchen bottleneck, or dreaming of a better backyard for next year, that's your sign. I help people find homes perfect for hosting, entertaining, and making memories, football season included. So now for that Super Bowl fun fact. Told you I'd deliver. The Super Bowl is the second largest food consumption day in the U.S., right behind Thanksgiving. And Americans will eat over 1.4 billion wings on Super Bowl Sunday alone. That's a lot of napkins and a lot of kitchens in action. Ready for a home that hosts like a champ? Because when you're ready to find a home that fits your lifestyle and your Super Bowl parties, I've got you covered. I'm Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. You can call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can search homes anytime on my website, margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or check out some home tours on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. Margaret Klein signing off, and hope you have an amazing Super Bowl Sunday.